Hey guys, I want to show you a quick temporary fairing repair that is inexpensive and will take you less than 10 minutes. I'm going to practice on an old Ducati fairing before I do this to my MV Agusta tail end. The first step is to line up the crack as best you can. If you can use clamps, this is ideal. Next, using a plastic welder or soldering iron, tack the start of the crack as I'm doing here. Now you can remove the clamp. Check the alignment of the crack before you start welding. Use a plastic welder or soldering iron to indent the plastic along the crack. I then like to flatten the plastic to really get it to bond together. Fairings are made with thermoplastics, which are defined as polymers that can be melted and reformed over and over again. They become molten under extreme heat and harden when cooled. This has formed a strong bond, but I could certainly make it stronger using metal staples and plastic welding rods. I'm happy with this as a practice run. I'll do a little more practice and then get on with the MV Agusta tail end. I have quite a nasty crack along my tailpiece. I'm using this method as a temporary fix only until my new part arrives from Italy. Since there's around an 8-week lead time on my part, I just want something that will hold and not crack any further. I'm really happy with the bond I was able to get between the original part and the welding rod material. But I'm not very happy with how well I lined up the crack externally. This is a definite lesson. I should really have taken my time, removed the seat, and used clamps to get the external surface flat. Now I'll have to use some filler, and it won't look flush. I'm using this epoxy putty because it bonds really well and sets really hard, and it's sandable as well. So if I ever choose to repair this properly someday, I can get a decent finish. So here's the final result, guys. Not perfect, but fit for purpose. I can't stress enough how important it is to line up the crack. It will save you a lot of time. I hope you've taken something positive from my video, including from my mistakes. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so I can keep making more videos like this.